Hey guys, welcome back, Driven to Compete channel. Hey, have you ever had electronic issues with a car? Well, I have. In today's video, we're going to talk about replacing my switch here and this is a multi-switch from Dodge. So I hope you stay tuned for the video. I hope you can appreciate some of the steps and it gives you the courage to be willing to try this at home. It's really not hard. So I've turned the key on because I want you to see what it's doing, but basically my Dodge, you control the turn signals, the wipers, and the headlights from one switch on the left of the steering column. So when you want to flip your high beams on, you pull it towards you. So when I do that, I want you to see this. My wipers spray, and it don't end up turning the high beams on anyway. It ends up doing windshield clean, and I've had it where I've hit turn signals and it wouldn't work either. So I've gone ahead, and what do you do in that type of circumstance? Well, I went ahead and I ordered a new switch, and I gotta tell you, if you're trying to, I've already researched it, and this is a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500, and they haven't made, Mopar doesn't make these anymore, and everybody's is made in China, Taiwan, the Philippines, wherever. So I bought one with a 1-year warranty. I happened to get a coupon and an electronic coupon from Advanced, 25% off. I used it to pick this up, and we're going to go through the steps on how to replace it. If you've ever had a Dodge doing something like that, then hopefully you'll find this video helpful. Okay, so you're going to need some tools, T20 Torx and a Phillips, and you want to take your tilt lever, tilt your steering wheel the whole way up. You have a T20 here that you need to remove, and I was hoping that some light here would help you. There you go. You can see that, and then you have, I believe, 3 underneath, here, here, and right here. So you're going to go ahead and remove those. That'll be the first step. Then you're going to go ahead, and this has already started to separate, as you can see. So you want to pull this out, and you'll be able to pull it up and out of the way. So you want to turn your steering wheel this way. There are 2 screws that go here and here. They're Phillips. You're going to take those out, and then you need to, there's a tab right here. This slides, so you need to slide it back towards the gauges, press down, and it will release. There we go. We'll release that. And then the last piece you need to do is you want to release this. You're going to just lift here on the corner of this piece of black plastic here. You can see there's a gray layer and a black layer. You're going to pry this up, and I'm going to try to do it with one hand. There we go, and it just pulls right out. Okay, so there's what you have. Now, this is what we got as part of the kit. And what they're giving you is they're giving you this piece right here. We're not going to take that apart and deal with that. So we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to pry on that black cover. You can see it releasing. And we're just going to pull this out. Okay, now that we've done that, literally all you have to do, and I apologize, we've got this wire in the way. Let me move that out of the way. All you're going to do is slide this puppy into place. Okay, so there it is. We're going to reconnect the plug. We're going to make sure everything works. 4 ways are working already. Headlights aren't on, so we're going to turn them on. There, you got it. Let me turn the power on as well here. Let me put a key in, and we'll see if we can't get... before we go any further, let's just confirm that we have everything. So there you have it. Wipers are working. Turn signals are working. High beams are working. Everything's working like it's supposed to. So everything's working like it's supposed to. So you want to put these 2 screws back in. I've already gone ahead and did that. Again, they're just a standard Phillips. And check everything again. Make sure we have that plugged in, the connection. You have that locked. And honestly, we're back to reassembling the clamshell. I've gone ahead and I've set the top piece on, and I want you to see this. There's a apologize. Let me try to get you a better angle. Right here you have a placement for a screw that comes up through. That's lined up correctly. You have these tabs, as you can see there. Let me try to zoom in for you. Here we go. You have these tabs that help to hold it together, and right there's that spot I told you. You're gonna have a screw come through. So you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna line them up, and you're gonna start to reattach your screws. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and I've stuck the, I found it easier actually to start by putting the bottom in place and having the key ignition hold it in place. And then I was able to, these just snap on. So I put the top piece on, and then I used this snapping in around both of them, connecting to help hold that on. Walked around here, you just pull the pieces together, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to adjust this manually. You can pull that up and give you a better view of the tilt option. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go ahead and I'm going to pop those screws back in. You've got 2 there, 1 here, and 1 here, and they're all Torx. I'll go ahead and I'll do that, and then I'll show you the last step. Okay, so we've got it all tightened up, and we just have to reinstall this guy right here. Let me back this up. So you've got 2 little holes, and you can see that they're right here as well. Let me zoom in there for you. So you're just going to line them up, literally just like that, and put the screw back in over here. Let me show you where that's at, and tighten it down. You're it. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put that screw in, and we're going to call it a finished project. So there you have it. All I can say is don't be afraid to try this at home, and I hope you can appreciate it. I try to give you real life steps to doing a project like this. With that said, you're watching Driven to Compete. My name's Sean. I appreciate your support. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. And you know, there's other Dodge videos that are already on the channel or are going to be uploaded that I recommend that you keep an eye out for, or you go back and revisit. Hey, if Dodges aren't all that you're interested in, I'm sure you saw some pictures of a yellow Mustang in this video. That's Baba Yaga. A lot of video on the channel on Baba Yaga, along with my newest project, my Evo R, 2016 Golf R, and I'm in the process. I'm probably halfway through that build of doing small modifications as I go. So I hope there's something on this channel for everybody. Dyno days, drag racing, street pools, and how-to videos. Check them out. Share. Please tell your friends. Check out the channel. Greatly appreciate the support. I don't make a dime off this channel. Everything I do is to try to help people who embrace the love of vehicles, cars, and all that, just like I do. So thank you. Have a great day.